bad so me can beat me chest. Me pussy never yet cause a man dead. If a gal bad tell her fi just step. Them a
we a wanna vibes na the penthouse. Them a wanna vibes na the lobby.
BMW and get the X6. I'm a got blood clad Benz, the GLE Benz or my boss buy me. The bank statement me so out of me.
Use me. Uno can't use me. I'm my best to them alone me I work with right now.
Fine, hello. Let's go. Yeah. Well, guess who's back? Lisa, if I somebody way, my love, and my rate and my respect. Likewise, Shorty come from my community, and my love and my rate and my respect. Shorty car, Bobo's daughter, and, you know, separate from Vybz Kartel. Need no one first. You understand?
Nothing. A while ago you call me. Me feel low off a Shorty name. If you afraid of Shorty family them, me no blood clot afraid of her family them. Me no afraid of her Obia walking auntie.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, Peppa Kid is back again with the next epic one. Yes, you know what the thing come down. So you will go like, subscribe and share. I'm not going to do no bag of chatting thing, you see, because you know some always do a bag of chatting, so you will go on. I'm going to left the video them, the clippage them, for do the talking, you know, so you will go on. But who go there in another video still. Zaga Zana now. Yeah man, being man there man. You know the badness come down. Vybz Kartel always the hot topic. Lisa Hype now like go Vybz Kartel t-shirt. No fear tell Lisa Hype say fi easy. Lisa Hype running palm Shorty and I say a bag of things. Yo, Lisa Hype don't know Shorty standards, so you know. She know. You know what thing come down, cause yo, Kartel always pick up a bad girl them, you know. And Shorty is a silent type, you know, so you don't know. Shorty have that little gangster image there, and you don't know the levels there. So you will go on people. Lisa Hype, ease up. You see, P. You can't say wait the vice boss and do all of that. You see, P. But you may say now, viewers and subscribers, we're going to fling out them clippage. You get me? So you will go on, I'm fling them out now. When you know, say, yo, leave an opinion, you see me? Comment section, blast you up, you know what thing come down. You are going, Vybz Kartel, Nuffy, Spice, you see me? Skeng birthday bash, yeah man, you know where badness come down. And that's how we are reaching now. Yes people, big up on yourself, like, share, subscribe, you see me? Tell a friend to tell a friend and tell a next friend to tell a friend. So you know say and tell you all and people them. Big up on the damn self again, you see me? Yeah man, that is it.
Before me leave Wednesday, me and Robin Chin got the bank. Zin, me and Robin Chin got the bank and me draw 385,000. Zin, me make the teller give me 385,000 out of my account. And me change some in the US for carry with me go foreign. Change some in the US and me pay some bills with the Jamaican money. Yeah, me dey carry some US go foreign. Me left the bank statement where me get from Scotiabank, New Kingston, in a me suitcase. When me got BMW and get the X6, and me got blood clad Benz, the GLE Benz or my boss buy me. The bank statement miss out of my suitcase them. So it's either the director or stinking vanity take out my bank statement. That's why I want to know say, yeah, where the Benz, where the Beamer? That's why I can't blood clot drive it out. Zine, Scotiabank put a hold on the account because guess what? With Nova Scotia, you're safe with us. So them lock down the account because them realize say them drain out my account. No money not in my account. Them scam it out. So Scotia say me forgive them 180 days before them can fix things. When the blood clot me I go do, me can fight the system. Me not for wait the 180 days. What no want me do? What do you want me to do? Government badness, Andrew Holness. Me bigger than Andrew Holness? Me bigger than Scotia Bank. Me have to sit down and wait patiently till them blood clot fix it and get back my money. Rosalie called me and I told her that I have to wait 180 days for my account to be recovered. When the blood clot, you come and tell me about keep it. You're not hungry. You're hungry, no blood clot. And that's your problem. That's why you're big and fat, so you yam too much. Fast and pray, so the Rosalie. Go and fast and pray and try to lose some weight. There's nothing I can do. You have to just wait till Scotia fix things. Simple. That is what happened, people. Play about the song.
You can't use me and my best them alone me I work with right now. So all who feel like say, oh, I'm back in the days when we did hungry, you could have called me name and me go come back and forth with you and toe to toe, you make a sad mistake. Me never look pound.
Let's go. Yeah. Well, guess who's back? This is me. I'm back again in Miami one more time. Zaga. Zo. Yeah, no crime. Look at the girls. They're looking fine. Yeah, here we go. Sim Simmer. People, I'm here the hot man, they have to talk about me, you know. Right now, I'm not going to tell a lie. I'm here Cartel alone, they go viral. And then I had Beanie in viral. And then, my so-called game mother jump into them. I acting kitchen viral. Cardo go sell out viral. Sell out Roxy.
Cardo, don't know about yourself.
You see me?
But here we go on, people. I tell the footers as a virgin, see me? I say, yo, still send the money, brother. Because footers say, God no DJ, you know, say. Me now, me feel it, don't you know? I say, no, man. Send the money, go give you, man. You know, that's how I think of. So, I make sure say, I'm doing it here.
Right now, myself come first. Myself come first.
The wickedest thing, yo. To be honest, I don't say wickedest thing, people. See me? You don't say wickedest thing, me and the man that drive, see me? Yeah. Me and the man that drive and the man goes, man, before the call him come in, and he head bus, me and the man that drive and the man check him phone. And the youth I said to him, send him a voice note, I said, Daddy, or a text, I said, Daddy, me send the money forward. And the man I said, yo, my son, this thing, I'm going to give him some money.
Look at Beating Pan in there. No, the youth just link me.
No,
but she had the way she link me for the money, to pay him school fees. And if she as rich as though she is a dash for money, oh, you can't pay school fees. And the whole of them are 19, 20 years ago. Yeah. So imagine them time they have no money. I like me to tell Vice. Yeah. They must stop jealous long time. If the whole of them be a man of them look good, right? A long time me have full bar.
A long time foot I walk up behind them. And them a blood clot. Them a blood clot girl every foot I get to that film. Hot girl. Although some of them ain't no screw good, but they hot.
No, me mad them.
Hold on, man.
I don't screw them in the screw. You notice after me left them, madam.
Hold on, man. People. Footer slim out. No, footer slim out now and footer. Hold on. Alright.
No money. You know what you have? Big dance for you playing in the road. Oh, we never go around. You're going to drink after this. Remember, show time the band.
and get up and say, boy, I have to deal with this. First and foremost, I'm going to talk about Lisa Hype. Lisa Hype is somebody where I love, I rate, and I respect. Likewise, Shorty come from my community, I love, I rate, and I respect. Shorty call, Bubba's daughter, and, you know, separate from Vybz Kartel. You know her first. You understand? So you hear me I say right now, Lisa, just press off for that thing and love Shorty. You understand? Lisa, the people them love you. Them to say about them know you're a bad writer and they know everything is going good. Whatever you and Kartel have, my general, reach out to Lisa. Because I figure more if you don't reach out to her, she's going to continue to damage her own legacy. And maybe speak some things where not necessarily should be talk about or speak or, you know, elaborate. Boy. Lisa, a lot of them are speculate and wonder if I'm a part of what you're doing, but you're your own big man. And I always try to tell them that I have my life to live, I have kids to feed, I have everybody to take care of in my own corner. Lisa, her own big man. So I'm clear the ear, Lisa do what she feel like. Because I know the people are speculate. And Lisa say what she has and she do what she do and she her own big man. I'm a figure it out as a bigger brother to Vybz Kartel and as them uncle. I realize you see where there a lot of money is and where there a lot of success are going. Yeah, people will do things, say things and make things in some different form of way for disrupt the whole system. Crash the system. Trust me, Kartel a focus. I'm like how you focus. I'm been tell you that DJ. So you focus, brother. I'm like how you focus. But out of your short time, I know you're in England right now. More you just take time out and give Lisa a call. Sometimes I do them thing and it's like more time I don't know if I jump into my thing just always suit other people or please other people. I don't know, but I have to do it. I can't afford to sit down and watch Lisa. This minute she up and go good and this minute she down. I see she do a bad song, people them love it. People must still want to know for book her and don't have to do for her and everything. Rare. But hear me, somebody have to reach out to Lisa. Lisa, me I reach out to you. Because me love you. And me rate you. You get me I deal with? Me look at you. I tell you the truth, me look at Lisa say, I do her bookings. I tell her, it's not like me get up and tell Lisa, Lisa just get about her blues and I say, I know if I'm a booking agent. I can't just get up and say, me I shun her. She said some things the other day, I'm vex, I'm get mad and, you know, even me, she don't even know what me did and follow her. But me can't allow Lisa alone, it's like me can't allow her. You know, and when I see she do the things and me lower her and I will call her and say, Lisa, no matter say certain things, don't say certain things. I know that people, one side, I wonder if me a part of what Lisa say I do. No, I am not. But me just a person where I have to support her, but I can't support her with what's going on because Vybz Kartel just did something the other day. Vybz Kartel try to bring a whole of it together. And when him and them have them look a problem, I try to deal with everybody. From Popcorn, go right on to all of them, Ja Vinci, Lisa Hype, everybody, Gaza Slim, anybody where him and them in a problem. And him always never have a problem with me dealing with them. But the one I kind of get too sour. So me I talk to Lisa because I know she listen to me. She listen to some of the things that me say. You get me I deal with? So Lisa, me I beg you, just let go some of the things them. Forget about some of the things them. I ask the general. Give her a call for me now. I know you're there London and you're London thing and rare. Just give her a call for me because God know. Somebody have to talk to Lisa. You understand? I call her and I talk to her. And I don't want the bad living with she and Moon. I don't want the bad living with she and Hindu. I don't want the bad living with she and Sheba. Lisa even cuss me. And me she cuss when you call her, somebody said, nothing call Lisa and I want to tell you the amount of people call me and said nothing. Call Lisa, Lisa said, where you call me for? Anyway, me hang up. I'm gone. When me look, Mr. Lisa text me. I'm sorry, me apologize. She call me, I'm in answer. And she tell me, so she's sorry, and them look us up me and way, and you don't feel a way, God, G. So me, I do this, Lisa. You know, I love Shorty, I love you, and we love the whole Gaza team. Yeah, I mean, but somebody have to stand up and deal with this, brother. You can't just left us. Everybody does. Most of the people want to just left Lisa, so and I call her one away and I make sure maybe one of you want to call her one away and I make sure feel like whatever she do is right. Yeah, you have to lower her, make sure vent, yes, but there's reason for she to vent. That's not my business. I feel around the business that I never started to talk because, you know, it's not everything me have to get myself in and deep in, but it will get too deep. So me have to kind of try to reach out to Lisa. See? Yeah. Lisa, you find a bad song, focus this song. Lisa, the people them love you, but in my sense, them just want you to leave Shorty. You know, come here and read the comments and trust and believe me. I could just get back on board. Lisa, don't worry. Them are going to book you for Sun First. Them are going to book you at Canada. Them are going to book you all over. And me know me and one of the person we have a call for make you rehearse and do whatever the thing. It's like me can't leave you alone. Me can't see her. Me can't. Yo. Lisa just leave Shorty. And for all of the people we are speculate, even with the Spice situation and she has Spice, me know them are one day me have something to do. People me not nothing to do with nothing. Lisa I won't big woman and she do what she want to do. See, but me cannot allow her to still continue. I say some things and then she end up with say things when not supposed to be said, which you know there's nothing there to be said. But you know, and then you have some people who really are digging her skin and a pressure her and a call her and a interview her. Lisa, better you turn on your life by yourself and say what you say. But trust me right now, Lisa, stop. May I beg you. Listen to nothing, just stop. And the matter come cuss me now, I call me and cuss me, you know. I know you, but you not cuss me and disrespect me. You prefer cuss me so nicely and say, nothing, why you tell me to do this and then later when you realize when I tell you is the truth, you see you text me or you call me and tell me, my brother, I'm sorry. And all the people will love Cartel and everything will love him and rate him and respect him, brother. When you give Lisa a call, brother. When you give Lisa a call from the Popcorn to the Sandstorm to the Mooney to the Indo. When you give Lisa a call, brother. Or give her something public and tell her if it's done. Because as far as when me look, if nobody no call Lisa, I don't allow Cartel because he my general. I don't allow him. If you don't allow the general to be always things that everything must allow to him. That means we are no friends. We are really not a part of the Gaza. Because some of them don't want to call Lisa and talk to Lisa because I say, if you don't talk to Lisa, Cartel, I go pray you know. Well, me know Cartel now go pray me, so that's why me come forward and attack. You know, call Lisa and talk to her, reason with her. Because Cartel now go pray you, that's so when you find out to yourself if you're not a real friend to Cartel or not a real person to Cartel. All the people are with their own Cartel. Everybody with their own Cartel. Everybody with power own Cartel. Call Lisa. Everybody with a part of Cartel entourage, like what me I do. Call Lisa, reason with her, explain to her, and solve some of the problem too. You don't want to leave everything to Cartel alone? You know what I'm going to do? If Cartel deal back with Lisa, automatically you end up deal back with Lisa. And everything just forgot about. So if you know a really Cartel friend, and all the people with their own Cartel, where Cartel has support, and I give things and I do things, him can't do everything for himself. Right now, Cartel do 13 years, and I'm a focus, brother. I'm a focus to do what I'm doing. Him can't spend no time on nothing. And general, trust me, I think you need some people around you where pay attention to other people. You can't just have a lot of people around you when not paying attention to the rest of people and we are around you, but only pay attention for them benefit. But generally I have to looking at them things there. So that's why problem we not the thing. You need to assign people to people, my boss, my G, my brother. See? So all the people with their own Cartel, who love Cartel and rate Cartel, give Lisa a call. find out what is the problem. Try help solve the problem. You know what I mean? Because I know cartel not done with Lisa. Thank you, have a good day.
Nothing. A while ago you call me and say my career I go good and my song hard drive bad and whatever. Zine? You call me and I say I for just focus on my career and me feel low off a Shorty name. If you afraid of Shorty family them, me no blood clot afraid of her family them. Me no afraid of her obia walking auntie, dirty auntie named Angela. Me tell you say, if you go out and say that, me if stop, tell Shorty if allow me too. Zine? Tell her if allow me too. Tell her auntie if stop walk the obia them where them a walk for me. Because Shorty family them not bad like my family. You hear me I tell you? You know my family enough you don't know nothing about me no. Cartel know about me. Cartel know my family them. Adija Palmer know my family them. You don't know me nothing. You don't know nothing about me. With the blood clot you call my phone a while ago. If you are save yourself. If you afraid of them. Me not afraid of them. I tell you no say me now come back out, come talk nothing, you know. You hear what me I say to you? I tell you no say me now, I tell you no say me I focus on my business and my career. No, what you do a while ago, you should do it. Furthermore, I talk to Cartel lawyer. Cartel lawyer and my lawyer. Cartel is still my manager, if you don't never know. Nobody chew him silent and him not say no. Him just a wait till me calm down. You understand what me I say? I've been used, I've been abused, I've been raped, I've been beaten. Them walk up upon me 4 times and them still a try walk up upon me now. You understand what me I say? I know my fault why Adi love me more than Shorty. See? Tell her auntie, don't Angela for stop walk the obia where them a walk upon me. Tell them that. See? Stop going like you no love me. Because when me did need people, me never hear from you nothing. I never hear from you when me I go through my stress and me I go through when me I go through. When me did get the up of you and them a give me the mad people injection, them me no hear from no now no the whole I go about love. One no about love. And the last time me I come out come talk. If you don't think me a joke dog, my family them a suffer. Me have my family them for take care of. Me have my granny for take care of. Me have my father for take care of. Me have my mother for take care of. Me have my sister for take care of. Me pregnant. I'm pregnant. I'm have my pitney for take care of because me not depend on man for take care of my pitney. Me not depend on no boy for take care of my pitney. And me have to take care of me and mine. Here, me have the country where I want to invest in. Government badness and wholeness. Me have the country where I want to invest in. Me have my agriculture where I want to invest in. I have whole real estate where I want to invest in. The thief out $1 million out of my account. The whole heap of money where it in my account and the thief it out. And me have to wait 180 days for my account free up. Fine, no problem. Me have wait the 180 days. You know go mama, you think my like you know? What you did there? What you did there? When me I get used and abused and what the blood you know did there? Eh? Me not afraid that she and her family them. And if I war a war, you know allow me here. You know allow me here. See it here. And this one no vex bo. Government badness and wholeness. And him a go win and you can't stop it. He shall reign. He shall reign. He shall reign. And this a earth to know. Because I no say PNP. He shall reign. Government badness and wholeness. You think me I get myself in another trouble for no? And the system. This one no vex bo. Government badness and wholeness. And him a go win and you can't stop it. He shall reign. He shall reign. He shall reign. And this a earth to know. Because I no say PNP. He shall reign. Government badness and wholeness. You think me I get myself in another trouble for no? And the system me I use and conquer no. Me learn. A tile. Me learn my lesson. Me learn my lesson. Me learn my lesson. Government badness and wholeness. The girl when name Vanity carry me. Bank statement come. Because whosoever you I don't feel like them bad. Me I come lock up your blood clot. And you see the same police them will lock you up and me did have to bail you and give you $50,000 for go court. And then me I carry come lock you up back. Pussy vanity. You know allow me here and make me focus on my career here. And all of the people them were vexed because me I say Louis Grandison and my light and salvation. Me love him to blood clot. And I don't give a no want me. Me want him. You know go go PNP. Government badness and your wholeness. Me done chat. What is under my nose? I'm out.
No more feed this. So them run with that now. Slave so they should run with. Lock off the one door here to do focus back for me.
Me nah go back in the 2024, me say God attack to you, devil on the road, I say when you see the lad who left him alone.